Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, let's talk about the VIJIM VL66 LED video light. From the package, this VIJIM design is different from the other design. As you can see, that is VL100C. It is like this. And the box, you can open that and you will find the secret. This is the light, the main body. On that, you can have a warranty card as well as a charging USB Type-C charging cable. Control the tilting angle of this LED light. This is quite different from any other LED panel. For the conventional LED light, if you want to tilt the camera, you have to use a custom designed rotator, which will have unstable condition when you have rotate the LED light. But you can rotate in with the axis of the LED light. It might be very stable, and you can rotate 360 degrees all the way around without have to worry about it got stuck. On the bottom, we can see a cold shoe mount and a 1/4" mount. On the side, because this light gonna rotate 360 degrees, so there will not be any cold shoe mount. So you have to be careful with that. On the top, in the middle, we have a power on button. On the left is color temperature. On the right is brightness. On the back, 4 indication LED light. And long press the power button, it will light up and control the temperature like this. Control the brightness, brighter and warmer. Warmer and cooler. So the VR166 has altogether 33 warm tone LED light and 33 white LED light. You can switch back between the warm and white to control the temperature from 2500K to 6500K with the capacity of 2000 milliamp lithium battery inside this tiny little body. So this light is very small. You can see it just fit in my hand and with the tilting control angle. There are still more things I expected from this light. The number one is I still want 2 more cold shoe mount on the left and the right on the plastic frame. And the second one is now you can only control the tilting angle. I want to still control the yaw angle like this. So we have a dual axis control of the LED panel that will be more flexible in our vlogging or the video shooting use case. So that is all about this VR166. I hope you like it. If you like it, please thumb up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, bye.